Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Thinkorswim faster. First, let's optimize memory. You can significantly boost performance by allocating more RAM to the platform. Access the login screen settings and increase the memory allocation. Many users find that assigning at least 2 GB of RAM provides a much smoother experience. Just ensure your computer has enough available memory to support this adjustment for optimal results. Next, let's streamline your interface and charts. Too many open gadgets and complex chart studies can slow things down. Try closing unused windows and simplifying your chart layouts. Reducing the number of historical days loaded on your charts can also make a big difference. If your internet connection is less than ideal, consider lowering the data refresh rate for real-time information. Now, let's look at your system and network. Thinkorswim needs resources, so close any other heavy applications running in the background. A stable and fast internet connection is crucial for real-time data. A wired Ethernet connection is often superior to Wi-Fi. Also, regularly clearing your computer's cache and temporary files can free up valuable system resources, contributing to better performance. Finally, let's cover some advanced tweaks and maintenance. If you are not actively using features like Active Trader, consider disabling them. A simple restart of the platform can often clear its internal memory and resolve minor slowdowns. Always ensure your Java version is up to date, as Thinkorswim relies on it. If all else fails, a clean reinstallation can often fix persistent performance issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.